Solve the equation 2 into 4 raised to x minus 10 into 2 raised to x plus 8 equals to 0. Now we can write this equation as 2 into 2 raised to 2, and then x minus 10 into 2 raised to x plus 8 equals to 0. Now this is the same as 2 times 2 raised to 2x minus 10 times 2 raised to x plus 8 equals to 0. So here we shall let k equals to 2 raised to x. So if k equals to 2 raised to x, then this one will be 2 times this will be k squared minus 10k plus 8 equals to 0. So we take 8, we have 2 times 8, we have 16. Therefore, we ask ourselves that there are two numbers when you add, get negative 10. When you multiply, you get positive 16. So the numbers are negative 8 and negative 2. Therefore, here you shall have 2k squared minus 8k minus 2k plus 8 equals to 0. Now we can factorize here. So the common factor between 2k squared minus 8k is 2k. So here we remain with k minus 4. Then the common factor between 2k and 8, it will be plus minus 2. We remain with k minus 4 equals to 0. Therefore, here we have 2k minus 2 into k minus 4 equals to 0. So here we have two values of k. So we can have this first, 2k minus 2 equals to 0. So 2k equals to 1. We can call it k1. And then you can also have k minus 4 equals to 0. So k2 equals to 4. And then we go back. Remember we had said that k equals to 2 raised to x. So we can say for k equals to 1, we shall have 1 equals to 2 raised to x. 1 is the same as 2 raised to 0, which equals to 2 raised to x. So we can cancel 2. Therefore, one value of x is x equals to 0. Then for k equals to 4, we shall have 4. We have 4 equals to, we are using this equation, 4 equals to 2 raised to x. So 4 is the same as 2 raised to 2, which is equals to 2 raised to x. 2 and 2 will cancel. Therefore, another value of x is 2. And call this one x1. This one is x2. So these are the values of x. Thank you for watching.